Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do a redraw for the giveaway that I did for my November-December project for Creating with Jovi. That was the Vintage Christmas mini album, and I did post 3 videos. One was the paper collection review, and then there was the process video for making the base of the mini album, and then there was the reveal and some tips in the 3rd video. What you had to do is watch all 3 videos, leave comments, and then I would randomly pick one of those videos and draw a winner. You had to be 18 years or older, U.S. mailing address. You had to leave a comment under that particular video, which would be a surprise. You don't know which one I'm going to choose from. This is not sponsored by YouTube, Jovi, or anyone else. And yeah, so those are basically the rules. And of course, the giveaway video had the complete rules. So if you're interested, you can go back and watch that, and I will link that video down below. So with that all aside, let me add in the URL. Filter duplicate users. We're going to have one winner. And speaking of the winners, if the random comment picker lands on the previous winner, I will draw again. We will run this for 6 seconds. Put in the secret number, get our comments, 21 unique comments. I'm going to wish everyone good luck, and here we go. And the winner of the Vintage Christmas Mini Album is Lisa Burns, 599. Congratulations, Lisa. Her comment says, love it. So thank you, Lisa, so much for participating. I want to thank everybody who watched all of my videos for this particular collection, and I encourage everybody to check out Jovi on Etsy. I will have her link down below. She has a wonderful design team, and speaking of design teams, just a reminder, I have bumped myself down from full-time designer to a guest designer, so be watching for upcoming videos once or twice coming up in the next few months of a paper collection and a project that I come up with. So Lisa, be sure to comment down below and let me know you saw that you're my winner, or contact me on Instagram and I will get your package out to you. I believe I have your address, but you can always send it to me on Instagram just to confirm that I have the correct one. So thanks again, everybody, for watching and following along with my videos, checking out my projects for Creating with Jovi. And I wish you all a happy and wonderful crafty new year, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.